bedroom where I'm just about done. So we'll start off here. I got the light in the closet of my bedroom. You got the light here for the bathroom. Got the fan over here. You got this for my bedroom, for my bed. This will be the fan. This is the light. I just finished all the cable and the Cat 5 internet plugs, plug plates, all that. So this is what we got going on here. This will be behind my desk right here. This is my star command, if you will. So I got all that. And then leaving, got the light, and then the fan's going off. Three-way there. The only thing that isn't done is this light and the bathroom light in my parents' room, and the island plug right here, and then the dishwasher, and then down the road the air conditioner. So that's all that's left. So if you want to see everything, we got the plug here, blah blah blah. Got the light outside, 2 lights. Here's the kitchen plugs, range, microwave, plug, pantry. Refrigerator, kitchen lights. We got a 3-way here for the kitchen lights from here to there. We got the 3-way here for the light, and then the fan on the left. You got a plug there, you got a half hot there, controlled by that. And here's the 3-way for the light and the fan. Got a few plugs there, and then we got a cable and a internet over there. Got a plug here for the entry. Got a light right here, right there, a little bit bigger than the closet lights in the hallway. And we got a switch here for the outside lights. Going down the line, got the hallway. This is the next circuit. Got the lights on 2 circuits. This half of the house is on 1 circuit, and the rest of the lights are on this circuit. So we got the 3-way here for the hallway. This is the switch that's going to be controlled. This switch controls these 2 switches, which control these 2 plugs for nightstand. So you can turn this on, and then you can individually control those 2 switches, which control the bottom half hots. You got a single switch right here for the light, a single switch right here for the fan. Moving down the line, we got the plugs all around. We got the cable over here, another plug there. And then this is the other bathroom light I was telling you about. So those are the 2 lights that aren't done. But we got that one going there for now. We got the bathroom fan right there, followed by a light right here, followed by the fan right there. Going down the line, you got the closet right here. Got these 2 closet lights. I think that one's got brighter light bulbs than this one. Probably have to even that out later. Going down the line. It's my new catchphrase, going down the line. You got the plugs here in the hallway. And then we got the other bathroom right here, followed by the fan right there. The vanity lights and the bathroom light is connected, so those come on at the same time. And we got the 3 lights in the hallway, 3-wayed. Then we got the light here, and another laundry room fan. Lastly, for the house, we got the light right here in the middle of the room, followed by the closet light. And then, moving to the garage, we have 5 lights that come on at the same time. 3 for each, 1 for each garage. 2 in the shop over there. And then this is a 3-way, 2 over there underneath the clock. We got the panel over there. Got the home run right there. GFI controls all the plugs in the garage. And then we got 2 plugs over there, single circuits, 20 amp dedicated, 1 for a refrigerator, 1 for a freezer. And that just about wraps it up. We got the furnace over here with the 15 amp circuit, home run, single dedicated, and that's about it. If you want to check out the panel, we can do that. Got this right here. Got this labeled for my parents so they can try to understand it because they're not very savvy with that. This is gonna get redone there because it's a mess, but the only things that are off right now are the range and the dryer for safety issues. So nothing happens with that. The future air conditioner, furnace is off for now. Everything else is on except the 17 is the kitchen, which needs the island plug, so I have that off for now. And then lastly, the dishwasher, which isn't ready to be installed yet. So everything is on besides that. So calling her done for now until the floor is laid. I can't do the dining room light so no one hits their head or breaks it or gets dirty and dusty. And the bathroom light, we have to order another one of those because it was damaged or defective. And then they have to cut the island plug right here. So that's about it. Just 2 lights and a plug. And then straighten out a couple cricket things, which I'll do later. Tighten up a plug. And we're good. Finally, the journey is about over. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one. Corvette coming soon. Peace.